received a lot of messages asking how I apply my eyelashes, and this is just going to be a little quick tutorial on how to do it. I'm going to be wearing my eyelashes, of course. It's going to be a Style Realm, and they look like this because I've already been using them. And so I also have my lash applicator. It is also on my website, and I love how it applies so nicely. Okay, and also, if you guys didn't already know, I also have my eyelash glue. I actually like this one. I like this one a lot better than the Duo because the Duo is really, I mean, I love it by all means. If you guys like Duo, stick with Duo, but I also like mine. Duo is a little bit more on the thick side. It is much more stickier, as mine. It is an adhesive, so you don't have to apply so much. It looks like this when you take it out. So you just apply it on the lash, and it is a very thin layer, and it does last you all day. I've been wearing this. I actually ran out of my Duo glue a long time ago, and ever since I stocked up on these on my website, well, you can see them. They were really nice. So right now I'm gonna show you how to apply the eyelash. Sorry. Also, first things first, what you're gonna want to do when you do buy an eyelash, and even if you don't purchase from me, it's okay. I'm giving you options, and my eyelashes are super bomb. They're super curly. I really do like how they come curly, very curly, and yep, they're like this. So first things first is you are going to have to, oh, where's my scissors? You are going to have to size them to your eye. So here I have it. I already sized mine, but this is how I usually size mine. You cut the edges. The way you see is if it is like, you have to size it to your eye, if that makes sense. And when you do that, you just cut the ends, or cut as much as you think that, I know some people have small eyes, some people have medium eyes. I have medium eyes, so I just cut a little bit of the edges, and other people have really small eyes, so I would recommend cutting off like maybe this much, but it's all up to you, however you want to size your lash, or your lash to your eye. So now here I have mine, and I'm just going to be applying it. Going to be applying, I can't see, a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's really hard. And if you hear that noise, that's more likely the AC. It's a really hot day here in California. I don't know how hot it is. All I know, it's really hot. I think it's above 80. Even 90, so my AC is running. If it's too loud, sorry. Okay. And what I like about this adhesive glue, you don't have to wait too long for it to dry, because it's such a thin layer that I put that's gonna hold on really good. So I'm just gonna zoom up a little with the camera so you guys could see how I apply it. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see me. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see my eye. Sorry if it's losing focus. There we go. So that's what it looks like on one side. So this one is a little bit, I'm not going to say it's natural because it's not natural at all. It is really dramatic, but it's not as dramatic as the other ones. Okay, it's not as dramatic as the other ones, but this one is much more flary. So yeah, and this is why I like my lash applicator, because when you grab on the eyelash, it grabs a lot. See how it is? It's really long here, so you're grabbing it, so easy to apply. And it always takes practice, you know, especially when you're applying lashes, for the very first time. It takes practice, so no worries. This is why I'm showing you guys how I personally do it. But if you guys want to see how I apply my other one, let me look for my lashes. Where's my, oh, here it is, alright. Here's the other one. Sorry if I talk a lot. So as you can see, I'm just applying there. By the way, I am wearing one of my lip glosses that I have on my website. It is the Max. I love these. Ever since I was a little girl, I've always remembered this one, and also the fruity ones. Okay, so see. Now I am going to apply the other one. There we go. Just have to adjust it on how you think. Just have to adjust it. There it is. So, sorry if like I just dropped something. It's okay. So this is what they look like. Sorry if that's too close up and personal, but yeah guys, this is what it looks like. So don't forget to shop on my website. It is called mysticallashes.org, and you can find me on Instagram, Mystical Lashes. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.